One thing we see across successful instructors and training businesses is that people sign up faster and programs are clearly organized. When someone lands on a site and has to figure out which class, workshop, or program is right for them, they often leave and come back later, or sometimes not at all. The most effective instructors and program leaders make it easy to understand their offerings at a glance. For example, a pottery instructor might separate weekly classes from specialty workshops. A sports trainer may present private coaching alongside group training programs. A music teacher might organize beginner lessons, intermediate classes, and summer camps as distinct options. Instead of placing everything on one long page, they structure programs so visitors can quickly understand what is available and choose the right starting point. Squarespace's award-winning templates help support this approach. Program and class pages clearly present what participants will learn, who the program is for, and how to sign up, making the experience simple and intuitive. Squarespace also includes built-in SEO and AI visibility tools that help your services appear in search results and AI-powered discovery tools, making it easier for new clients to find your business online. Clear program names also help people make decisions faster. Specific titles like 4-week beginner pottery course or youth soccer training program help visitors immediately understand what they're committing to. If you're not sure how to describe your services clearly, tools like AI can help you get started, which we'll cover later in this series. Many instructors also offer a mix of formats, such as drop-in classes, multi-week programs, workshops, or memberships, to create more consistent enrollment. You can do this all on Squarespace. When programs are clearly organized and easy to understand, people are much more likely to register. Check out our other videos in this series to learn how strategic onboarding and communication keep your participants engaged and your workflow seamless long after the contract is signed. Your work, your world, powered by Squarespace.